Good morning. This is Sage, live from Kalkine studio in Sydney. You're watching the early trades. Let's get started with the market open report. Australian shares have rebounded in the opening minutes of trade, with the S&P ASX 200 opening 0.8% higher. The energy sector leaped 3.1% as the price of Brent crude hit $90 for the first time since 2014. Beach Energy rose 6.1%, Santos added 3.4% and Woodside Petroleum rose 2.9%. Premier Investments jumped 4% on news that its sales grew in the first half of the 2022 financial year. Nickel Mines rose 4.2% after declaring a final dividend and reporting its quarterly results. Perpetual advanced 3.4% on news that its assets under management rose in the second quarter. PointsBet firmed 4.8% following an announcement that it has launched its online casino product in West Virginia. Evolution Mining declined 6.2% after reporting its quarterly results, while Silver Lake Resources fell 6.9%. Kogan dived 13.4% after saying supply chain disruptions are still denting profits. Let's now take a look at the crucial announcements from these ASX-listed companies. Premier Investments today provided a first half 22 trading update in relation to its wholly owned retail segment, Premier Retail. And Premier Retail sales for the 26 weeks ending 29th January 2022 are expected to be around $769 million. Premier is particularly pleased with the strong result given that the group's stores were closed for over 42,000 trading days during the half due to government mandates imposed in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Nickel Mines said that its 80% owned Angel Nickel project has entered its commissioning phase, with the first of its 4 rotary kiln electric furnace lines having commenced nickel pig iron production. The maiden NPI tap occurred on the 25th of January and will see a further accelerated timetable where the project's other 3 rotary kiln electric furnace lines will be progressively commissioned over the following 60 to 90 days. Nickel Mines will pay a final 2021 dividend of 2 cents per share, taking the full year dividend payment to 4 cents per share. It is a 33% increase on the 3 cents per share paid in 2020. And Perpetual has released a quarterly business update for the period ended 31st December 2021. Perpetual's total assets under management were 102.8 billion Australian dollars as of 31st December 2021, up 1.8% on the prior period. And Perpetual International's AUM was up 2.3% and Perpetual Australia's AUM was up 0.4%. The company stated that the focused execution of its strategy is continuing to deliver results this quarter. It is pleasing to see the positive momentum continuing to build across all areas of Perpetual. PointsBet today announced that its wholly owned subsidiary PointsBet West Virginia has successfully launched its online casino product in West Virginia. Online casino operations follow the launch of the company's mobile app and digital sports betting product in the state in August of 2021. And following successful launches in Michigan and New Jersey, West Virginia marks the third state in which PointsBet offers its proprietary iGaming platform. PointsBet unveiled its online casino product in Michigan in May of 2021, followed by New Jersey in July. Evolution Mining released its quarterly results. The company announced solid operational performance in the quarter and on track to deliver in the financial year 2022 group guidance. Gold production of 148,084 ounces and improved all-in sustaining cost of 1,347 Australian dollars per ounce. And moreover, 2022 guidance is maintained in between 670 to 725,000 ounces at a sector-leading all-in sustaining cost of 1,135 to 1,195 Australian dollars per ounce. Evolution Mining reported that the current operating headwinds have been well managed. COVID-19 continues to be proactively managed with limited impact on operational performance in the December quarter. Silver Lake Resources reported its quarterly results as well. The company announced quarterly group production of 64,009 ounces gold and 243 tonnes copper. Silver Lake Resources had won the bid for Heart Gold, whose sole asset is the Sugar Zone mine in Ontario, Canada. The announcement comes only days after a second potential anonymous buyer for the troubled gold miner emerged. Kogan.com has announced a record first half operating performance, and Kogan.com Group's relentless pursuit of providing more choice, value and faster delivery to its customers underpinned continued strong growth in gross sales and revenue. In addition, the Kogan First loyalty program reached 274,000 members at the end of the first half and is growing rapidly, further building the community of local, loyal active members, and the Kogan.com group now has over 4 million active customers. And that's all for now in the early trades, and stay tuned to Kalkine TV as we have many more shows lined up for you for sharing the live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. Sage signing off for now.